Howdy, paper engineers in training. No, I wanted to show you, you saw in the show today that I found out that this piece, the starboard side or the port side, depending on which one it was, but this happens to be the starboard side, is what I cut off of here. Now, I took this entire piece off, and what I'm doing right now is I'm putting it all back together. And as you can see from this, these are they're in pretty good shape, all things considered. What I have to do is these parts that I cut loose on this, okay, I took and cut them and then cut a bevel off of this. Now they're going to go back on absolutely the same way that they came off, but what you have to do is you have to back up everything you're doing. So what I have done is I put all these back together first, because those have to be sanded down and it has to be brought into order as far as line goes. You can see that I glued, anyway, I glued gussets onto all of these pieces all the way along here. All right, now what is going to happen is I'm backing them up with more gussets on this side of them as well, because I want this to be just as strong as it was before I cut these loose. And what I have to do now to make sure that it is right, first off, I got to get this so that it'll stand up. All right, it doesn't want to stand up well. Now, as you can see, this thing is coming loose. There's nothing I can do with this really, except I can try to glue that early, but I don't want to do that because I have to make sure that everything that I'm doing right now all falls into correct line with this. Oh man, sometimes I get really disappointed in what has happened. All right, what is going on right now is these measurements from, put a string line. I had to put a string line on this. Now, I'm sure you guys can see that string. All right, it runs from the stem, the bow, to the stern. Okay, as you can see this here. Now, if I keep messing with those, they're going to break off. But it won't matter. I'll be able to put it all back on. Because I didn't have a string line on this when I was putting these ribs in here, I didn't notice how bad it was out of shape. And it was bad. It was a 1/4 inch at the stern. And you can see that. That is a huge amount of miss area. So now I've got 1.5 inches out to here. So this one has to be 1.5 inches. It is not 1.5 inches. There is 1.5 inches right there. All right, so now that I know that is okay, what I have to do is I have to look at it down here. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a clamp on this right there, and I'm going to see if it is still 1.5 inches. It is not. It moved in a little bit. All right, but because that clamp is holding it, I can actually push these and get them to go into place. This up here is just under 1.5 inches. Not much, just a tiny bit. And that is what that is. Now this right here is just under 1.5 inches, or it's 1.5 inches. That is 1.5 inches. Okay, so now that I know those are correct, what I need to do at this point is I need to glue these next pieces in. All right, this is not glued yet. It's still loose. All right, reason being is I want to glue this on the backside. So we take that, add that to there, and now I take this and I squirt glue in there. And where's my oh, here it is. Dental tools, man, I'm telling you what, these come in handy. Okay, make sure the glue gets all over those. And now, tweezers, very important to have these. This goes on here just like this. And now we clamp it down. All right. Now we're going to do this one over here. All right. So, and because this new clear Elmer's doesn't dry very fast, I can go ahead and goop that up, then goop this piece up. Now these are all cut off pieces that I cut off the top. Now we put that on there just like that, and we clamp it down. There we go. Okay, so what I am doing is I am creating a brand new structure that has the right dimensions to it, using all of the old parts. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to measure this one. Yeah, that's basically 1.5 inches. There, that's under 1.5 inches. Now that shouldn't be. I got to check that again. All right, just under a 1/16 under 1.5 inches. All right, so now we're going to look at this, and that is good. Okay, so to save, these are what's holding it in place. All I need to do now is find one of these, just like this. This clear Elmer's, I tell you what, for repairing something like what I'm doing right now, this stuff is amazing. It is super strong. And so this piece is going to be 2 times or more stronger than the other side, because I'm putting 2 pieces on each side of this. I spread that out. We add some Elmer's glue to that, just like this. Put it down in here. Make sure it goes all over that. Take this piece, stick it on here just like this, squeeze it into place, and then clamp it. That is how you fix a superstructure and leave it strong. All right, because now every piece of this is going to have 4, because these are double thickness. All these pieces are double thickness. And so now these seams where I'm fixing all this that I cut off is all going to be twice as strong as the other side, which won't matter once you put this all together. These can be taken, oh, not that one. These 2 can be taken off because I don't need them. I'm clamped here and here. So now I need 2 more of these. And since I cut all these things off of both sides, I have enough of these gussets that are going to work on here. Okay. So let's stick that in there. Uh-oh. Come on now. No, that's not wanting to do nothing. Okay. Why am I having troubles with this? I don't know. Anyway, let's try and do it this way. There we go. Okay, because you have to separate this enough so that you can get the glue inside it. Because if you don't get the glue on this paper inside of here, it won't hold anything. All right, now that's put back in place. And now we add this one. So what is happening here is you are reinforcing an error that you had to fix. You're reinforcing it. Now, I happen to be a real stickler for making things super strong. Okay, now that needs to go down a little bit because it's too high up. Okay, so here we go. Let's pull that, push the glue in there like so, and then take your dental tools, and the dental tools really give you a lot of versatility when it comes to repairing something like this. And we glue this up really good. And now this is separated a little bit, so I want to bring it back into line a little bit more before I put the clamp on it, and then clamp it down like so. You have to do that over this entire body of this, because I had to take the starboard side off. And there's going to be a lot of repair work that I have to do with this, because now this thing is going in and out like that. And okay, well, anyway, that's all part of repairing something that you didn't see happening. And I didn't realize it until I started putting the fantail together that it was so far out of line. Anyway, thank you, Paper Army, for joining. And this will be for members only. And I'm going to send Miranda a letter on this and let her know that that I posted this. And so everyone that needs to do any repair work on stuff you're building, this is one of the ways to do it. You can come into my show and talk to me about it, and I'll pretty much be able to help you, I think, with anything you might have a problem with. All right, Paper Army, salute. I will talk to you later.